Good evening, children. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, beta. Okay, so are you practicing the construction questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, finding it easy? Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Adya, Nishika, turn on the videos. So I'm moving to the screen now, right? So we'll continue. This is the only week we'll complete. We are almost on the verge of completing the chapter, right?
Okay,
We are
ma'am.
last exercise only. And you must have got the message that we are starting with the revision from the 1st of January. Okay. So this is the last chapter only going on, and that is also about to get over. So I'm moving to the screen. Okay. So before I start anything, I just want to show you, Shreyansh, your paper, test paper, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Just now I was checking your paper. Where is the paper? Paper. Just let me check. Yeah. See, Shreyansh, your marks are 23 out of 30. The first question is correct, okay? Second question is also correct. Only thing is that the arc is a part of the circumference. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
You
ma'am.
have made some arc here, no? It's not this arc. If this
Okay, ma'am.
arc is a part of the circle. So the boundary of a circle, it's a part of that boundary. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
that is to be named as element. So since what four things were asked in that, so one was this arc, so I've reduced one mark over here.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then next is correct. Then you have the fourth question. In this question, you have to make a line which is the double of PQ. Okay, double of PQ you can say, or double of AB you can say. But this is like making a angle bisect, line bisector, perpendicular bisector. Okay, so this is not
Okay,
a.
ma'am.
Would you make a copy which is twice of it? Suppose you are making a line, you want to make another line which is twice that of this. So with your divider, with your compass, you will measure this much distance, say from A to B. Okay, and on another,
Yes, ma'am.
you will keep your pointer here, you will make an arc here. Okay, then again, without changing the compass measurement, you will keep your pointer here and make an arc further, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So
Understood. Okay, ma'am.
so
Understood.
this line PQ which you have got, this is now double of AB. This much was the AB distance.
Okay.
This much again is AB distance. So this is twice of AB, no?
Okay.
Understood? Okay, so this is
Yes,
how
ma'am.
this.
Understood.
So what you have made is the perpendicular bisector, which is not
Okay.
right. Okay,
Okay.
so you lost your marks. Rest the two questions are correct. Okay, these two are correct. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
So,
Understood. Okay, ma'am.
so that's how you have got 23. Okay, so let's move to the chapter now. Right.
Ma'am, you gave an homework, ma'am, to make a 90-degree angle, ma'am.
Yes, you have done that.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay, so what
Yes.
questions I had given you for homework? I think I had given you to practice 60, 30 and 120 and 90 also I told you to make.
Ma'am.
Okay, done.
This
Okay,
90,
closer,
ma'am.
Trilokya, closer. Yes. Yes, I can see Trilokya. Good. Yes, Shreyansh, very nice. Good, beta. So that means when you
Thank
bisect
you.
60 and 120, you get 90 degrees. Okay, Adya, show me your work. Nishika, Neha is here.
Ma'am, my camera isn't working, so I'll show it to you next class.
Okay. Okay, Abhya, you show me your work. Neha hasn't joined. Bhavesh has also not joined. Okay. Adya, can you hear me? Hello?
Ma'am, for next class, ma'am, I didn't know the idea of it, ma'am.
You didn't know what?
Ma'am, I didn't get the 90 degrees angle, ma'am.
See, 90, when you make 60 degree, no, like this, you know how to make 60 degree? You make an arc with whatever measurement you make this semicircle. With the same compass measurement, you have to make an arc like this. Then keep your pointer here, make another arc like this. Okay. So when you join this line, this becomes your 60 degrees. When you join this, you get your 120 degrees. And when you bisect these two lines, you get 90 degrees. So how do you bisect? You have these 2 points here. Measure this with your compass. Okay, with your pointer and pencil. Then open your compass a little more. Then make an arc here in between these 2 lines. Then with the same measurement, keep your pointer here or here. Then make another arc. So when you join this point of intersection and this midpoint, okay, you get 90 degrees. So 90 degrees is the bisector of 60 and 120. Okay. From 60 to 90 is 30 degrees. From 90 to 120 is again 30 degrees. So this is the bisector.
Understood now.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'll show it in your next class, ma'am.
Yes, show me tomorrow. Okay. So let's do with the first question here. Now you all know how to make angle bisectors. Okay, if any angle is still remaining, let me show you that also. So you have understood now 60, 90, 120. Okay, same way you can construct 150 also. Yes, children?
Ma'am,
150.
150, ma'am.
Can you make 150? 150 degrees?
Yes, ma'am.
See here, you just look here. See, this is the arc of 60 degrees.
Yes, ma'am.
With the same compass measurement, make another arc like this. This is 120 degrees, right? Now 120 plus 60 is 180. Is it? This is 180 degrees, right? The straight angle. Now, between 120 and 160, if you bisect 120, this is 120 degrees line. If you join it here like this. Okay, just a second. It's gone. Okay, like this. This is now this is 120 degrees, right? Now, when you bisect 120 and 180, you will get 150 degrees. Yes, you agree to that?
Yes, ma'am.
And how do you bisect? Keep your compass pointer here. Open your, first measure this much distance between this arc and this straight angle. Okay. Then open your compass a little more than this distance. Then make an arc. So where you want the bisector, between which angle you need the bisector, in between those lines, you have to make the arc. Now keep the pointer on the other point and make another arc like this. Right? And then join these 2 points, this point of intersection and the center point here. Right? And extend this line. So this line that you get is
Yes, ma'am.
150 degrees. Okay. Are you understanding? Okay, one more
Yes,
thing I
ma'am.
want to tell you. This is 60, 120, 180. Okay. When you bisect 120 and 180, you get 150. When you bisect 0, this is 0 degree. When you bisect 0 degree and 60 degree, you get 30 degrees, right? Here somewhere you will get 30 degrees. When you bisect 0 and 30 degree, you will get, what is half of 30 degrees?
15.
15
15, ma'am,
degrees. When you
15.
bisect these two, you will get 15 degrees. And when you bisect 0 and 15, what will you get?
And 7.5.
7.5 degrees. Okay. So this way you can get, these small angles. Are you understanding? When you bisect 15 and 30, what will you get? You will also get something, 22 point something, no? Just check out whatever you get, right? So when you
Okay, ma'am.
bisect 30 and 40, 30 and 60, what do you get? 45? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
You will get 45 degrees. So like this, you can get so many angles in between, right? By bisecting. Okay? When you bisect 60 and 120, you will get what? 90 degrees here.
19.
When you bisect 60 and 90 degrees, then you will get what? 75 degrees.
75.
So like this, you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
get so many angles. So between 90 to 120, there is 30 degrees. So half of 30 will be 15. So 90 plus 15 more. 19 plus 15 more will be what? 105 degrees.
105. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So like this, you can get different angles. Okay. Here in between these two, you will get some angle. In between these two, you will get some angle. And if you bisect these two, you will get some different angle here. If you bisect these two, you will get some angle here. Are you understanding? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We can have a nice arrangement of different angles here. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And still, if you bisect small, if you want to get even smaller angle than this 7.5, you can still bisect these two and get even smaller angle. Okay? Okay, so let's move to this exercise part. Okay, draw angle POQ of measure 75 degree and find its line of symmetry. Oh, this is another word here, line of symmetry, but nothing to worry, you are aware of this word. Yes? What is line of symmetry?
Ma'am, bisector.
Yes, of course, bisect.
Bisector.
It divides it into two identical halves, right? Okay. Okay, so how will you make 75 degrees first? 75 degree
Ma'am,
lies
we
between
used to
60 and
take,
90.
ma'am, 60 and 90, ma'am.
Exactly. 75 degree lies between 60 and 90, no? So you will make 75
Yes,
degrees
ma'am.
first, and then you will bisect 0 degree and 75 degrees. You get it? Should I show
Okay,
you
ma'am.
the
Yes, ma'am.
First, you will make 60-degree arc like this. No need to, okay, first 60-degree arc. Okay, then 120-degree arc, right? Okay. Then you will bisect these two, you will get your 90 degree, right? Bisecting this, you will get 90 degree. Now, when you bisect 60 degree and 90 degrees, you will get your 75 degrees. So this is your main line. This is what is the required. So between 0 degree and 75 degree, when you bisect 0 degree and 75 degree, you will get your required line of symmetry. Okay. Right? You understood this, children? Shreyansh, Trilokya, Adya.
Yes, understood.
Okay,
Yes.
Please do better. See, there are so many angles which you can get by bisecting, right? By bisecting any two lines, you can get some angles. But all angles cannot be achieved by just bisecting. Okay? So, to take those angles, you need to take with a protector. Like you have this 153 degree in question number 4. 147 also you have.
Ma'am, we need to measure the 75 degrees angle.
You can measure 75 degrees and then bisect it.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then you have to write the steps of construction also. Okay.
Ma'am, can you repeat the first question again?
Yes, Adya. Adya, see here. 75 degree you will get when you bisect 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay. Okay. So you make a line first. Make a semicircle here with some little compass opening. With the same compass adjustment, make an arc here. Right? Make another arc here. When you join this line will be 60 degrees. When you join this line will be 120 degrees. When you bisect these two, you will get 90 degrees. Okay, like this, some straight line, 90 degrees. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now when you bisect 60 degree and 90 degree, okay, in between you will get another line bisector, angle bisector. Now this angle is 75 degrees. You understood?
25 degrees ra.
Okay. Now when you bisect 0 degree and 75 degree like this, which is 0 degree? This is the starting line, baseline. When you bisect 0 degree and 75 degree angle, this will give you the required line of symmetry. This will give you the bisector. Okay. You understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Do it now.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, Shreyansh? Okay, show me closer to the camera. It's dark your side, beta. Some shadow is falling there. Can't see. It's not so clear, beta, because some shadow is falling. Yes, yes. I could see. Yes. Good. So what is a bisector? When you finally get your line of symmetry, just measure it with your protector. How much degree is that?
35, ma'am.
33 degrees?
35, ma'am. 5, ma'am. 5.
35?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. 70 half is 35, ma'am.
How much is that? 35?
Yes, ma'am. 70 and 0 bisector will be 35.
No, not 70, 75.
Ah, yes, ma'am. Oh, okay. Understood.
0 degree and 75 degree. Check with your protector.
Okay, ma'am.
This will be between 37 and 38, 37.5 something, because half of 75 is 37.5, no? Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I got it. Yes, ma'am.
And this minute accuracy comes when your pencil is nicely sharpened. You got the same?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Good. So now you can try the next question. Those who have done can move to the next question. Draw an angle of measure 147 and construct its bisector. Now see, 147 is, you cannot construct with your compass. Okay? You cannot construct, no? Even if you take angle bisectors, you cannot take for 147. So 147 angle you will take with your protector. Okay? So you know how to use a protector? Just make a line here, take a base point here. Align your compass center point with this point and the baseline with this. And then on the compass measure 147. 147 is obtuse angle. So if you're measuring from the right hand side, just measure it wherever you get 147 somewhere here. Okay, this will be your 147 degrees. Okay. Are you understanding? Then you will
Yes,
bisect
ma'am.
this 147-degree angle. Okay. How will you bisect? You will make an arc here. Keep your compass. Measure this distance. Okay, from this point to this point. Open a compass little more. Make an arc here. Make another arc. Join it. You will get this bisector. Okay. And that will give you your bisector for 147 degrees.
Ma'am, after from the protractor, after we make a 147 degree angle, ma'am, what shall we do? Can you repeat, ma'am?
See, after measuring 147 degrees, you will bisect these two lines, okay? 0 degree and 47 degree. Keep your
Okay,
compass
understood.
here. Keep your pointer compass at this point. You can see this point. I'll name this point as L and N. Okay,
Okay,
keep your
understood.
pointer
Okay,
here.
ma'am.
Measure this distance with your compass. And then
Okay, ma'am.
open the distance little more. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Then make arcs.
Okay, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Ma'am, over.
Okay, show me. Oh, there is a bisector of 75 degrees. No, that's a that is 75 degrees. No, that is 75 degrees. You have to make a bisector of 75 degrees. Okay, so now you will bisect 0 degree and 75 degree. You will get another line. Do that.
Ma'am, do we need to write the steps for that also?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Trilokya, if you're finished with the first one, start doing the second.
Ma'am, I already started the second one, ma'am.
Good, beta. Then same way you have your next question also. Draw a right angle and bisect, construct its bisector. You can see here. So you draw a right angle. Right angle means you have to make 90-degree angle and then
Yes,
construct
ma'am.
its bisector. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So take this for homework. Question number 3.
Understood. Okay.
Then draw question number 4 is draw an angle of measure 153 and divide it into 4 equal parts. So we'll do this in tomorrow's class. Okay, that's also
Okay, ma'am.
we'll do it in tomorrow's class. Now for your
Okay,
homework, you
ma'am.
can take this 60-degree, 30-degree, 90-degree, 120, 45, and 135. Can you take it for homework? Question number 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then sixth question is draw an angle of measure 45 degrees and bisect it. So you know how to take 45 degrees? When you bisect 0 degree and 90 degree, you will get 45 degrees. Yes, Adya, that's correct. Good, Adya. You can measure with your protector.
Ma'am, I get 30 degrees, ma'am.
30 degrees?
Yes, ma'am.
No, you have bisected 0 and 60 then. You have to bisect 0 and 75 degree. Okay, and so you will get 37.5 between 37 and 38. Okay, then draw an angle of measure 45 degrees and bisect it. Please listen. Okay, listen to the homework I am giving you. So 45 degree you will get when you bisect 0 degree and 90 degrees. Okay, when you bisect 0 and 90, you will get 45 degrees. Right? Okay, and bisect it. So when you get 45 degree, then again you have to bisect it. Okay, by making arcs here like this, Okay, then 0 and 45 you have to bisect. Draw an angle of measure 135 degree and bisect it. So this is 135 degree you have already here. So when you get 135, you have to bisect it. These are all direct questions only. Draw an angle of 70 degree, make a copy of it using only a straight edge compass. Okay. Okay, rest we'll do it in the class. Okay, in tomorrow's class. Tomorrow is
Ma'am,
Saturday.
which are homework,
Ma'am, I
ma'am?
got
I'm telling you, question number 3 is for homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Number 5 is for homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Number 6 for homework, 7 for homework. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am is 20 degrees angle correct?
It's bisector of 140. Which one you are asking?
Ma'am, 75 and 0.
So its bisector will be 37.5.
Yes, ma'am, it is correct now.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am, it is correct.
So, good. Good, beta. So please note down the homework questions. Question number 3, 5, 6, and 7.
Ma'am, these are homework?
Yes, these are homework and you'll be showing me in tomorrow's class. Okay?
These all, ma'am?
Yes. Question 3, 4, 6, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Right?
Yes.
Question number 5, all these angles you can make on one figure, right? You can make them all on one figure. 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 125. Okay. 45 also here. Then 135 also here. You can all show me on one. Question number 5, all the angles you can show me on one figure. Okay? Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. So, thanks for joining. Right?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am, I'm right.
Done? Written? Question 3, 5, 6, 7.
Ma'am,
So, 5, ma'am.
bisector of 147 will be 73.5, ma'am.
Yes, beta. 70.
Okay, I got 73.5, ma'am.
Good. Very nice. Chalo. Okay, beta. Thank you. Thank you to all. Bye-bye.
Thank you so
Bye.
much, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am. Bye.
beta. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.